Dumela ba go ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's your girl Dino Caro and la tseba dilo tsa ka bo Miss Cat ke rata go tsama le bo Oms go rengana so ke ntse ke pressa some amps ba bantse ba tseba this is CMTV and this brother is Mr. Dlamini ke mitsa Mr. ka gore ke ikatametsa ke re Miss Cat a ke re theme song aga ke re lo jolelang nanga jole CMTV ni athembana na couple switching phones it's my thing wa le ratana na ke sa ratiwe I get able to sing a lot of drama. I say this show otherwise. I don't find out and see what about Tobambaring. Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV Miss Cat Kemo. Ni athembana na. Lante ba ka couple switching phones Miss Cat. Na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole. A re tsabe mo strating re ba kene and see gore what's happening. Ntshala morago nsi.
And wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke. Ndayimela mina lonto.
So wena umratela chelete e kena.
Uthonsa mphethelete seyelena wabona wathi ba ke rata dilo.
Sablela maka lo.
This is just AI sometimes.
Accept your disappointment hle.
Mazambe kupongeti so masambe re go bathola batho ba jola na ke batla mojolo guys outlweleng once ka mojolo let's be millionaires let's all go to Nigeria sioke huh tshotari bia see I see the other ones ke ready goosebumps again must boy ai Divelan Hi, ngiyaphilela uJay. Awuyithandi camera mfo. Uyaga Miss Cat. Takwana my darling. Komi Nadir. King wa ntsabela.
Yeah, mana.
Emma this side. King come na, tuskawar. Ushapo.
Ndaphila njani?
Nami niyaphila ukhuluma isiZulu sister.
Nomxhosa.
Umxhosa uyathetha kaloko. Wapeto. Njakuva manje.
Ndathetha.
Uyathetha. Unjani wena buthi?
Mina ngathi.
Awadi.
Right.
Right. Kopo chikile kwatle kopo umfezele camera sone. Re fezile camera you might win something you never know. Hawampona mo adverting ya Shoprite ke fa ba to the beef stock.
Beef stock no.
No see. Fana ka di beef stock my darling ngithi thola one get one for free. Angithi
Sawina ke namhlanje.
siyawina ngithi namhlanje. Kunje bangibize bani uya kuphi?
Sahamba no babe.
My darling angithi for 2 minutes. Angithi sonke isigenile isikwele la.
Yeah.
2 minutes makes sense angithi.
Okay.
Na. Unjani?
Right.
Right. Bangibiza bani my brother?
Mina kids.
Keith.
Yeah.
Okay. Wakabani Keith?
Kids Mhlanga.
Mhlanga. Wakhona la eGoli?
Yeah, la city la eGoli.
City la eGoli. Oh, I see. Uyazazi isithakazelo sakho?
Ayi.
Kodwa awuzazi?
Ayi.
Mina ngomhlanga, ngiphuma kwaNqobo. Yithi hayi.
Wase
Cela ngothi ngimele la can you be like camera friendly for me for 2 minutes nje ngiyacela ne.
Yeah.
Ngiyacela le until let's pose for the camera.
People's vibe.
Ungavayi baby how wena kunje bathu ubani
Mina ndingiyonela.
unyonelwa usuka phi unyonela
Mxani lapha ndihlala emndeni Soweto.
emndeni Soweto pha ekhaya usuka phi
Engqamakhwe ku Eastern Cape.
ngamakho Eastern Cape shout out Eastern Cape shout out Mom Fletcher I know those places shout out Mthatha
Yes.
Davaza umntanami ukhona lapho uyabona ngokuthi ngikhona
Uyayazi nya.
you think I'm not friends enough now how why ujahile
Lord.
are you guys
Ngifikile kuphela bo.
how ungajahi man si safe ha ngiyajola mfethu
Yeah.
umuntu wakho lo for how long nijola
Now.
3 months.
Yeah. Doing
kwaqala ne how's the new relationship
Iyavutha.
ithina ama butterfly
Iyavutha.
sign bin wena bo.
nawenzani indina usheshi wena
Asiphazamisa yo.
nawenzani
That's fine.
I'm putting down the boner why ujahile ukuhamba nawenzani indina
Hayi ayikho into esiyenza.
uzomitha uyazi ukumitha ubutterfly ufast kanjani
Yana.
yo
Angiblind kakhulu manje ukhipheni.
yeah
Hayi but asiyeke.
ungavumi we keep it fast ne
Bana asiyeke.
ngena uphume
Asi.
Why singing? Ungena uphumoza la umfethu ungahambi
Oh, yeah.
awu baba Mhlangu.
Awu babe, asifake babe.
Hawu
sawina i-beef stock
uzowina beef stock.
no-rocks
Yeah.
ndayifuna ino-rocks ndiyapheka
So intoni le uyithanda with your person?
ngomntu wam
Ngomuntu wakho.
uyi-cool cat iyamamela xa ndithetha
Uyambona naye.
yabo ndiyamthanda shem uyandimamela
Umuntu ne drip.
uyambona mo
Uyayithanda i-drip. Wena uthanda intoni ngomuntu wakho? My Xhosa and Zulu, it's getting there, don't worry.
Yeah, kancane.
Yeah, ucala kancane. Wena, what do you love about your person? Tizimbe.
It's
Yeah. Obvious. What is it that you love about your person?
Izinto zakhe.
Izinto zakhe. Oh no, wando jahe ngothi niye ekamureni manje.
Eh.
Hayi bo. Hayi oza uhlale la. How my brother?
No, like ngithanda yena bo.
Nezinto zakhe.
Obvious yo.
Okay.
Is obvious no ukubona mva.
Wanda manje nijaha.
mpundu baby
Ha?
Uma approach ane. Ngabona
Into
si.
yokuqala uzoyibona.
Obvious.
No wonder nijaha ukuthi le ekamureni.
But it's love, no, love.
I love yazinga. Ikala la the only love ekala emtitini. The only love ekala emtitini. It's from
kakhulu asibiyeka sa.
Yeah, now we are good.
masime ndifuna uvalele phathi yempundu baby
What is it that you love about your woman? How? Amanyabuzo mfethu ngizile vele. Hayi clear my sister.
Okay, compliment.
Hayi oza clear. Hayi khona yona ibhodi yona ibhodi uphiwe. Uphiwe sham. Sham usisi wami apha uphiwe. But wena wazibonela izinga wathi just
Thing yabo.
first thing, a second thing ithini?
Inhliziyo yakhe.
Inhliziyo yakhe ithini inhliziyo yakhe wayibona inhliziyo yakhe ukuthi la ngiyangena.
Yeah, inhliziyo yakhe but vele save alangimile vele.
Yeah.
Alangimile. Yana inhliziyo ikhona, yeah. Inhliziyo ikhona kancane but la babe. Wait.
Wena uthini? You said ukuthi wena uthanda okay but I understand ne. Wena uthanda iswag. Uthi umuntu cool cat. Wena uthanda izinga. So it's a sex drive thing. It could be.
wena
We were once stigmatized at some point. That thing is too much to get off from. Yo,
do you baby
Like it's a compliment.
hayi
Yeah.
baby ndayithatha i-compliment yakho kodwa bekhandiyicinga uba undithandela iimpundu zam
Mfundo.
Mshilo nje inhliziyo nayo kancane. Yebo.
Yeah. Yazini mina ngisuka eCMTV ne. Niyathembana na show couple switching phones for 60 seconds. Siyangena nje efonini yakho uyangena efonini yakho for 60 seconds aboye nje ngothi niyathembana or into impundu nje neskamuri or luyibitsa inkamuri or king or this thing is going furthermore. But I really like your relationship. Ngathi free man yabo. Ngathi niyathetha nje.
Snowflake.
Le uyabo ni cool nempundu kumnanzi.
Kumnandi.
Yeah. Ngicela amafoni for ama 60 seconds. Kuzoba right musine. Siyayicheckisha nje man waphetho. Ifoni. 1 minute 60 seconds angithi.
nicheka ntoni
No siyacheka usiyangena eWhatsApp usibone ukuthi ha usendela bani impundu if it's not only cool cat if kune omunye umuntu omsendela impundu kanjani nawe sifuna ukubona ukuthi kune omunye umuntu omusa ekamurini akiruyena you were busy going to the kamuri.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanna find out. Angithi na ufuna ukufind out ukuthi how many a day la jaha nguthi baye ekamureni.
sitshintsha zethu okanye masithathe yakhe
Sithatha yakhe niyakho.
neyam
Like apha booty.
How beautiful was that?
How beautiful.
I can't ditch one phone, baby. I can't end it.
Yeah, okay. I love the power of having these phones. You guys are right, angithi. Nizowina ama beef stock ungawari mna. The advertiser le Shoprite. Dithi beef stock no-rocks kanjalo. Siqala kanje, ladies and gentlemen. CMTV, I'm happy to have these ones here. Ke power miskat. Couple switching phones niyathembana. Yabona? Neswag nami yabona. I have that thing. Siqale ngabani? Ngifuna kabani?
Hayi masiqale
Yakho. Yakho kunje yiye lene. Okay, fine.
Ngithanda yena.
Oh le iyakho.
ngeyakhe.
Too short. Wena too short ne? Yeah, too short. Too short ibambe phone yakhe. And then I'm gonna hand la is safe phone yakho nesis.
Okay.
Uyayibona nawe ukuthi safe. Yeah. Now uyabona ukuthi safe. There is no other thing.
Ngithanda yena.
Uthanda yena. Kumnandi awuna i-password ne. Kusho ukuthi uqeda delete ne.
Siphuma hayi lutho. Vele siphuma la vele.
Ne dawo klar. Neqeda lento le. Ngiyakuzwa mfethu, ngiyakuzwa. Okay, ngena ngo WhatsApp sis.
Okay.
Ngena ngo WhatsApp.
Nayi WhatsApp.
Hey, type nudes. Hey, this one is giving me, yeah. You are giving me,
Lutho man.
you are giving me, send me spoon to see if you qualify.
Nah.
So I'm sure girls like me.
Nduzakhe.
Because girls like me, because I'm skinny as age.
Yeah,
You don't like these ones, ne?
I like meat.
Yeah, you want meat, too much meat.
Too much.
Yeah, no, I
All
understand.
beef. You go come on beef yabo.
Yeah.
All meat.
We understand that those and the Ventons, you know Ventons? Yeah. I'm not saying it's me though, eh? What do you find?
Meat.
Nudes.
Hayi. Ikhonto kuthini?
Ayikho nudes up. I love you.
Khona.
Hayi.
Khona omunye umthandayo besides umuntu wakho.
Ethi ngibonga. Yeah.
Ubani?
Uwe futhi.
Oh, deep you.
Uyiwazi.
Uyiwani nje umuntu omthandayo. Ha? Ngisho umuntu onembundu that's bigger than zakhe ne. Ngiyakuva man. Ngiyakuva. Okay. Ngathi ya delete wena mfethu ayikona. Why una disappearing what la?
Babe.
Okay.
Tolanga lutho.
All right. Cheka, I miss you. Let's check his I miss you. Oh, you're a rapper, ne? You're a dancer.
Nah.
Oh, wenza into zaka too short.
I'm actually a boxer, bo.
A boxer?
Yeah.
Uyatrapana ntwana?
Too much. Yeah.
Oh.
Too much. Cover my hands.
Yeah, who's your favorite boxer though?
Tank.
Tank.
Yeah.
And where do you train?
I train in Hillbro, ne?
In Hillbro. Oh, ngiyayibona le Mount Rela nye taxi.
Train lapha.
Yeah. So enterisha kanjani if the young boys out there want to join the boxing game?
Actually, I do have a team, yabo, for the younger ones.
For the younger ones. Kune admission fee.
Yeah, it's like 150.
I hear you.
Ingane encane is for free.
Yeah.
Like 150 is for the older ones.
Wena une
Banana.
black belt.
Nah, but I'm going there.
Okay.
Sendleleni.
Okay. Cala ungene Instagram and check ne.
Sendleleni man.
Instagram because I see Instagram. Uyakuthola ungamhluphi ne. Ufuna ukuthi angene efonini yakho. Cheka, I miss you, I love you, sex, nudes, penti, imbundu, into kanjalo. Oh, zawume la. Angifuni ukuthi umdisturb.
Thande zakhe.
So you walking towards to get the black belt. Manje use white belt, yellow.
Sendleleni man.
Endleleni.
Manje ngithi sendleleni ve.
Kale nini?
No, I've been in the game, yabo.
Akusho ukuthi une anger problem. Let's go msadi argo jadi bunu kuro. Oh motlara walwa tlara. Ke ntho tsa o tseo. Kutlini. Ngiyana ama pictures guys, sister me I'm not. Lo buti lo confidence too much lo.
Be a delete baby.
Biya delete wozo umela.
Bonakala.
Woza umela my brother. Awu.
Yazi kahle.
Ngamu disturb woza umela. Ngicela ukuthi angithi sifaceana ne camera. Phela you are helping me to get the proper content angithi. So I can see ukuthi ubani uchitayo la.
Ushithi kahle.
Right.
Engenza ngingacheat ne.
Akhona.
Into ebengenza ngingacheat ne.
Awukho nto ne?
Clean.
Mina nginama trust issues, that's why I want to double check.
No, into engenza ngingacheat ne. Sipho.
Isiphongo.
Nazo ngiyazithanda phela.
Uyahlezi usitabuza.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then impundu vele sabo isichaya.
If you want to be romantic, what do you do?
Mina. Lo mbuzo.
Wenzani mawuba romantic oza la?
Uza yena
Wenza-
uzu.
Ukwenza lani? Ukwenza lani ntoni?
Undithayela into ezimnandi. Kuyangispoilisha ubaby.
Uyakuspoilisha ne? Yeah, plus you are collecting the fees. Okay, I'm proud of you, my brother. You're not cheating. Plus, he's collecting the fees of the young boys there, trying to make them the young tens. Huh? Our Muhammad Ali. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, even our late president. He was a boxer, ne?
Oh Mandela.
Mandela, ne? Utata was a upper sisi. How? Is there anything you want to confess maybe before singene phone yakho?
Hayi ukuthi nje mina ndinechomi uyazazi ubaby.
Unechomi? Is guys.
Yeah.
Is chomi is guys.
Zichomi.
How many are they?
Yo.
Wena lo tshaba go muriwa. Ekare muntu a re
Kaloku ndenzela uba xa ubona ntontoni zichomi baby. Ndinechomi mina zabafana. Nawe uyayazi lonto.
okay, ifone yakho ine password.
Winayo.
Ngicela we
Hayi kaloku ima apha ecaleni zakufaka password.
uzokufakela password. Bayona bathavi. Ona le boxer yakho yakwa ku hill bro. Atsa go trapiwa. Tla mo tlhaba di bono tse top. Okay, ngicela ukuthi ungene WhatsApp ne. Wow, uyabona ukuthi yakubuka already. Ngene WhatsApp. Kalo typela I love you. Kalo typela I love you. Hanisabi. And you always knew ukuthi he's a boxer. Yazi unesibindi sisi. Hayi izibindi zakho ngiyazithatha masigqiba apha ndithatha izibindi zakho.
Yeah.
Uthanda wena cha.
Khona late la ke.
Okay. How nesibindi? Awusabi ukuthi uzokushaya ibundu.
Hayi.
Okay. Nchekele come outside. Come. Okay, delete him. Nchekele come outside. Come outside. Are you sure there's no one you are dating?
The friends.
Is it friends?
Friends.
Ni
Okay,
sendela ama message anje. Na friends.
Yuzi normal.
Ezinjani?
Ndikucheckisha. Akho into etheni kodwa. Uzobona naye.
Ngiyachekishana nje. Akekho umuntu up. Come outside.
Asicheke asiyeke.
Oh, okay. Sex. Ngicela ungicheckile sex. When last did you have sex? Yo, guys, if somebody asks me that kind of question, nigga war, when last did you have sex? Or you are about to go, Emardino, she's a cock blocker. What's happened? Ubani lo?
Kaloku kuwala difa ku baby.
Ubani?
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, lo tabi dilo. Why? Ke mango. Ke mansanele.
Sanele.
Bona
Sindimbone
kiyo, bona profile pic. Ke mansanele. Wathi ba di message my sister.
Hayi chomi.
Ichomi njani nithatha ngesex? Why people like talking about sex?
Sindibona baby. Ngathi andiboni ngathi.
Hey,
Hayi ex.
Oh, beyacela sex nje cause niyichomi.
Bengekabikho sho ngayi.
Cause kune 3. I'm thinking of even calling this man.
Hey pindoda ngo.
I don't know where's my phone, my other phone.
Hey pindoda.
Ndifuna ukufonela uSanele.
Hayi baby singijonga njalo. Kaloku bengekabi sho.
Simfonela uSanele.
Hayi masingakamfonela.
Why singamfonela uSanele?
Ubona mnye?
Type I miss you.
Yo.
Type I miss you. Hayi, why uthetha ne-ex yakho sis?
Kaloku ndithi bengekabi sho ngayi.
Futhi
Mutsha.
na.
Futhi avela.
Awufuni simfonela uSanele?
Simfonela.
Okay. Singene, ngicela
Hayi intoni?
ngicela ngicheck ama number ibike so.
Snowflake.
Awu.
Thembe kanje.
Okay.
Snowflake.
Yimaqala sifonani?
Siyamfonela, awufuni ukuthi simfonele.
Wena
Sizwa ngawe ngithi.
Yeah.
Uyavuma.
Mina I just want to find out ukuthi ufunani.
Uyamazi lo sisi? Ufuna usixabanisa? Uvuma nto?
Sanele.
Please compliment
Anti simfonele. Ayayibambisana. Hello.
Uthi nizenza lonke.
Hello.
Zisifona.
Hello, Sanele. You speaking to Dineo from CMTV?
Ndizakushiya.
Hello.
Ndizakushiya. Ndizakushiya apha.
Hi, Sanele. You speaking to Dineo from CMTV?
Fonela umuntu abangamaziyo.
Yebo, I'm with usisi lane uthi unomuntu wakhe konjobani ukuthi
manje wena mfethu
ujola
Susondela kumfo.
konje what's your name again sis?
Yonela.
Uyonela ujola no Yonela but
Yebo.
niyajola nine isikhathi singakanani ujola Yonela?
Now 1 year na 6 months.
Ne 1 year 6 months. Okay. Bengifuna ku find out because sinengxaki apha man sinenkinga apha.
hayi baby ukuthembeka nje
Yima ngothi
Uyonela unomuntu wakhe so we just wanted to find out. I'm coming from Ishoya niyathembana na.
ima ngifukubuza phela
baby. Ubuza nto?
ithi ngibuze phela
Ubuza
Hello.
uba lo mthanda kakhulu ke
Yeah. Oh,
between-
I think we got it already.
ima haya
1 year 6 months. Okay, ngicela nguthi umuchari kafa.
ulu phela
Moyimise kama. Ngicela uze apha. Ubonga but so okay, umuntu wakho wathi kade nijola nina for 1 year 6 months and nina nimbe jola for 3 months. Uyabona ukuthi uwo makhwapheni.
but babe ubani umthanda kakhulu babe
Uthanda bani kakhulu sisi?
Hayi kuthene ndibuza.
Uba nokushova kamnandi.
Uyena waye ndibuza.
Uba nokushova kamnandi. Umani unike.
Ufuna ukwazi intoni baby? Ufuna ukwazi into?
Athi ufana ukunikeza kamnandi.
Oniya kamnandi.
Mnandi
ndiyamthanda ubaby.
Uyamthanda ubhe.
Usanele ndiyamthanda kodwa.
Ngathi. Hayi. Oza ngeke kushaya. Ukhona uDlamini. Ukhona uDlamini.
Uyamana uqondo.
Okay, iyavela nami ngiyamsaba because buti yami. Ungatrainele bu black belt from
Ndithe kuwe ndiyakuthanda ngendlela endikuthanda ngayo. Usanele ngumuntu wami. Uyatsho uba sina 1 year and kaloku wena uyafika.
1 year 6 months.
Uye kaloku usanele.
And then lo wenza ntoni lo?
Hayi lo uyadlala lo sisi. Ewe ndiyamthanda ngoba uyaspoilishana andali nosanele but apha kekho umzali. Mncinci ukufa.
Yo!
Uyarhona unento okhawuleza khona mina ndiyithanda indoda.
Myalelo yakho.
You 2 seconds usegqibile yakhona.
Ngisho ukuthi bakutrap epipini la eboxini ne.
Babe uthe
Bakushayila epipini avele ya.
ngumuntu wami nawe ngumuntu wami.
Uyabona uyanika ngiyakunika. When you had no idea about Usanele.
pipi yami incane
Ela umsanele ngumuntu wami wakudala and bendine stress panda uqoma wena. Hayi babe ndi serious but ndi serious ngoba naku uyanithanda. Incinci into yakho.
Wena usabi nguthi lo muntu lo uzokushaya.
Uzawubetha ba?
Uyabethana lo muntu lo.
Uzawubetha ba?
khala manje yini
Kaloku nina niqale.
yobikhala
Huh? Into
uphiza ukhala la
ndikhala nto?
mnandi phela
Uze waqhama friend ezinhle adili. Kaloku xa ngazulila awuzugqiba. Manikhawulezise fast.
Yeah.
mnandi ima
Uyafake kusho kanjalo.
Enzela wena na ubuza izinto ezi-too sensitive.
Oh,
Uyalazi udaba. And wena okwesithunga liba luba last wathi mandiyibambe izivuke. Ngizayimela mina lonto.
awuna kadlale
Uthathani mama.
oh ngishilo ukuthi ngithanda izinge zakhe angikuthandi
Awuthandeni.
Awungithandi nama
Yo.
ifoni yami
ndikuthanda. And jonga.
Ha?
Usanele usikile, circumcisile nto jo.
Yo.
Yeah baby.
lo mama uyabona
Athi
lo kama na into kakhulu
Lo?
sikazi ne.
Baby izasothetha.
Yes, but why didn't you tell him though?
Ukuthini?
Why ungleader on?
Baby,
Why ungleader on?
andazi mntu apha. Andihlala apha kaloku.
Uzofika kanjani ekhaya kanti ngoku? Uzofika kanjani ekhaya?
Umbile.
Ha wena uyiboza.
Umuntu wami lo.
How did Abigail?
No, nani nangenelela mona ngotsho ngojika.
Hayibo.
Mbizeni kaloku baby.
Phile lo muntu ngeke abuye ohambile.
Baby. Hayi ndakuphi.
Awumthandi. Yazini ithini sexual frustration ngwane. How radi? Hangek. Hi guys. Obana baba jola le di boxers. Batho ba boxing you must comment down below. Hore keng e qeta ndaideng because apparently kumele nguthi ingcenge, nguthi ivuke, uthi uyikhulumisa uthi awu awundlamini, awuvuke amfethu. Hangek. And at that time banyana ba sterke. Nano jole Muhammad Ali bumeta brr. Guys, the whole Muhammad Ali. So, hi guys, Ali's bait, kaluvuma banyana. This is for banyana. Banyana ke lona man. Banyana ke dikatsi meow meow. Utle gaya bhokolela yanong. I love you guys. CMTV manaba Zina Caro, we signing out. Niyathembana na. I did say ukuthi akuthembanwe apha. Ithini indaba yakho? Arute. Bye bye. Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na lantse ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke a re lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi
and wena okwesithunga liba luba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ndayimela mina lonto
to wena umratela chelete e kena
tshwantsa mphe chelete sele yena wa bona wa tseba ke rata dilo
o tsabolela maka lo
This is just, AI sometimes.
a se disappointment hle